Ugh, I swear, that sound is the death knell for my dreams. Waking up to an alarm is a constant reminder that you have to work to make money. But what if you woke up to cash instead? What if the first thing you checked wasn't your email, but your passive income dashboard? You think that's clickbait? Think again. Welcome back to AVS DigiZone, your source for digital marketing secrets and AI tools that actually pay off. Today we're diving into the hidden formula behind Earn While You Sleep with 6 other earning platforms. I've personally tested this concept and the results are game-changing. Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'm going to reveal the exact 7 automated systems that make this possible. More importantly, I'll show you the easy-to-follow map to set them up so you can stop trading time for money and finally start to earn while you sleep. Look, passive income isn't magic. It's about setting up digital assets that work for you 24/7. But the real challenge is knowing which systems to use and how to connect them. That's where this hidden formula comes in. It simplifies the setup across 7 high-leverage platforms. Think of it this way. Instead of relying on one single stream, you're building a portfolio of tiny automated cash registers. This product, Earn While You Sleep, cuts through all the complexity. It gives you the blueprint for systems that handle everything. System 1 and 2 deals with creating digital content that sells automatically, like turning your knowledge into profit. System 3 and 4 focuses on leveraging automated marketing funnels to bring in traffic without you lifting a finger. System 5, 6, and 7 uses smart, proven methods for low-risk, hands-off monetization across various niches. The key takeaway is that these systems, once set up using the formula, are designed to generate revenue even when you're literally sleeping. That is the true power of learning how to earn while you sleep. You might be thinking, a VS, this sounds complicated, and normally you'd be right, but that's why I highly recommend the Earn While You Sleep product. It's not just theory, it's a step-by-step masterclass that tells you exactly where to go and what buttons to click to set up all 7 of these platforms. If you're serious about building genuine hands-off income, you need a map, not just a concept. And because you're part of the AVS DigiZone family, I've secured something special bonus for you. If you grab the Earn While You Sleep formula using my link in the description below, along with a full step-up guide and review of the platform in a PDF free downloadable file, just click the link, it will be downloaded in system. Don't wait, the link is right in the description. If this idea of waking up to passive income excites you, hit the like button right now and let me know in the comments. What's the first thing you'll buy when you start making money while you sleep? If you're ready to stop relying on that annoying alarm clock and start building a real digital future, the next step is simple. Click the link below to unlock the hidden formula and claim your bonus gift. Seriously, this system is the best method I've found to genuinely earn while you sleep. Don't miss out on changing your income trajectory today. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video where we build something awesome together.